Hi everyone, welcome to Unlimited Design. So in today's session we are going to see how we can place text behind a moving object. So in this video you can see the bird, which is the subject of this video, is backed by some kind of text. It looks very cool, a good way to introduce yourself. You can use this in your videos. So let us start the session. So I am using After Effects 2015. We have to open it, and at first it will take some time. So first we have to go and create a new composition. I'm going with 9020 by 1080 pixel, and I will rename it as text behind object. Frame rate will be 2997, and it's okay, we can create this composition. So this is the composition, and then once this is done we will go and import an image. So this is the first file. It will take some time. Once this is loaded, we have to drag and move this in the bottom pane, and then we have to duplicate it. But first we have to crop this. You can see just moving this blue bar over there, and then trim comp to work area. So this is the actual footage. Now we have to copy it by pressing Ctrl D. Once this is done, we have to go and select the roto brush tool. Now this tool, using this we have to select. It works similar to Photoshop. Okay, but what here we are trying to achieve, we are trying to mask this object, this bird over here. So this is, but if you want to remove some additional, so you can do this by pressing Alt and then working on this button. See this red. If you will press Alt and then if you will try to remove it, you can remove the excess portion. Oops, we have to fix this. So this is done. I think the bird has been marked clearly. By pressing alpha button, you can also create a black mask over here, and then you can see how well the subject has been masked. Once this is done, you can go and change the feather ratio. It is good to, I think 9.7 will be good enough. Shift edges, and also you have to take the motion blur section. Once this is done, this is the composition. You can now we have to insert some textures. This is done by using effect new and text. This is the empty layer of the text, and once we have written something, we will move this between the two, the second and third clip. You can see you have to place this text portion between those two layers. Yeah, like this. We can increase it, the font size, with the character panel over there. Now we have to drag this because the text file should be available from end to end. Otherwise, if we will not be scrolling this, the text file will not be available throughout the entire video. Once this is done, I will export it using media encoder. So it will take some time. So this is the thing. Now it is working on it, that particular file. It will take some time. I don't know how long, but it is working quite good. So this is the final outcome, guys. Doesn't look great when you present something? So thank you so much for your time and support. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye. Keep learning, guys.